In a wood, in a pond, on top of a lily, lived Trevor the frog and his missus called Millie. Trevor loved Millie from the moment he met her. Their life ever since could not have been better. They slept in the sun every morning till noon. Then they croaked in the night by the light of the moon. They hadn't a care. They were frogs. They were free. They danced the frog trot with a 1, 2, 1, 3. They were famed for their parties through the pond far and wide, and everyone else felt dull by their side. From lily to pad, they jumped and they twirled. This was their life, and this was their world. But life would soon change for this happy pair. For Millie had news she was dying to share. As they lay on their backs, shooting tongues at the flies, Millie spoke up and revealed her surprise. We'll have to make room on our green lily pad. For Trevor, my dear, you'll soon be a dad. What wonderful news! Cried Trevor with joy. My own little tadpole, my own girl or boy. What if it's twins? I really don't care. I'm the happiest frog who ever jumped in the air. But darling, we're frogs. I thought that you knew. I think I'm expecting a few more than 2. Trevor looked worried and asked, how many more? So then Millie told him. 3,004. 3,004? Screamed Trevor in awe. We'll never survive. There's chaos in store. 3,004 little mouths to be fed. 3,004 to be tucked into bed. 3,004 all wanting to play. And all of their birthdays on the very same day. Yes, all of their birthdays on the very same day. Then Millie told Trevor that day's today. Together they swam to a place down below where thousands of frog spawn had started to grow, each one a tiny, precious young life, belonging to Trevor and Millie, his wife. They watched them all night. And then, in the dawn, they watched all the tadpoles break free and be born. The pond was alive. What a wonderful sight! 3,004 swimming up to the light. They squiggled and wiggled around Millie and Trevor, who thought that this day was the bestest one ever. Mother Nature is clever at this sort of thing, creating new life in a pond in the spring. Then Trevor said, Millie, if we do this again, how about trying for 3,010?